Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to find and download an invoice in the staff portal. It's simple. First part is to find an invoice. To start, head to the navigation menu and click on Finance. Then select Invoice to access the list of invoices. To quickly locate a specific invoice, use the search bar to enter keywords or use the filter button to refine your search. You can filter invoices by options like Invoice For or Payment Status that indicates whether the payment has been made or is still pending, often shown with a color indicator. Once you've set your filters, click Go to execute your search. If you'd like to start a new search or clear your current criteria, simply click the Reset button to remove all filters and begin fresh. After locating the invoice you need, click on the invoice number to open and view the details. Second part is to download an invoice. For archiving or offline access, you can also download the invoice. Click Download as PDF to save the document to your device. And that's it. You've successfully found and downloaded an invoice in the staff portal. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.